So before the video starts, I just want to do a big shout out to Mr. TT Auto Spares. Get your genuine Audi TT parts there, link in description. And also big shout out to AVS for all your VAG group, Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda, say all that lot. Check them out, great service setting up. The only people I've used, and I've been using them for years, and I'm very fussy when I take my cars. And keep watching this video to the end because you're not going to believe what happens at the end. So let's crack on with the video. What can I say? What's better than one Audi TT? Two Audi TT. So welcome back to another video. This is a very important day today for that Mark 1 Audi TT. It's MOT day. So what we do, we will find out today whether the car is roadworthy and can be used on the roads. MOT, I'm sure it stands for Ministry of Transport. So what they do in the UK, they do a test every year to make sure the car's roadworthy, just check everything. And if you pass, you can use your car. And if you fail, obviously you've got to do the repairs and then go back for a retest. So I've just got to the unit. So here she is, all ready for a big day today. All looking pretty clean. Let's put some lights on there. There we go. So she's all looking good. And hopefully she will pass. So then we can actually have a go in her and use her. So I'm just going to check around the car quickly just to make sure a lot of things are working. Make sure the lights are working because you don't want it failing on something stupid like a bulb out or something like that. So you've got to check all your lights, washers, stuff like that. I know the tyres are good because I put 2 new ones on the back already and the fronts were okay. So I'll see you when we get to the MOT place. So we've just had the MOT done. She's all back. Been off the road since like the beginning of November. Obviously I've never really driven it. And we got a pass, no advisories. She's mint. So I'm so glad that she's passed. It's all taxed, it's insured, it's MOT. I can now use this car. So obviously I drove it back from the MOT and you can drive to the MOT because obviously if you're going to an MOT, you're allowed to drive the car there, but obviously you can't like go and do your week shopping or stuff like that on the way there. You've got to go straight there. And she passed. I'm absolutely buzzing. As I said, absolutely buzzing. So obviously we're going to get some good videos, do like a proper like first drive and stuff like that, because now it's back at the workshop. I'll probably take it out for just a quick little spin, but let's see what happens.